Academic research is primarily about making new discoveries for the scientific community. It involves thorough investigations into known topics using scholarly sources. This process adds depth to understanding, strengthens arguments, and reduces biases. Professional research, on the other hand, focuses on solving specific problems. Both types contribute significantly to progress. Various research methods include descriptive, analytical, applied, and fundamental research. Quantitative and qualitative research are also key methods. Each method serves a unique purpose in gathering and analyzing data. Conceptual research focuses on theories, while empirical research relies on observed and measured phenomena. Understanding these methods is crucial for effective research. Different sources of information can be compared based on reliability, validity, and objectivity. Peer-reviewed articles, books, government reports, and news articles each have strengths and weaknesses. Internet sources offer vast information but can be unreliable. Evaluating credibility and relevance is essential for informed decision-making. This comparison helps build a comprehensive understanding of topics. Peer-reviewed articles are reliable sources published in academic journals. They undergo expert review before publication, ensuring objectivity. These articles often include detailed methodologies and analyses. However, they can be complex and less accessible to the general public. Despite this, they remain a cornerstone of academic research. Books provide in-depth analysis and broad understanding of subjects. They can be biased or outdated, lacking recent developments. Despite this, they remain valuable for comprehensive insights. Evaluating a book's credibility is crucial. Books are essential for gaining a foundational understanding of a topic. Government reports offer comprehensive data and are often reliable. They can be difficult to navigate and may have political influences. These reports provide objective information on various topics. Understanding their context is key to using them effectively. They are vital for research requiring extensive data. News articles provide up-to-date information and diverse perspectives. They can be biased or sensationalized, lacking depth. Despite this, they are valuable for current events. Evaluating their reliability and context is important. News articles are useful for understanding contemporary issues. Internet sources like blogs and social media offer a wealth of information. They can be unreliable and biased, lacking scrutiny. Evaluating these sources for credibility is crucial. Despite their drawbacks, they are accessible and diverse. Internet sources are useful for gaining varied perspectives. Evaluating sources involves assessing credibility and relevance. Consider the purpose of the information: to inform, persuade, or entertain. This evaluation helps in making informed decisions. Comparing sources builds a comprehensive understanding of topics. It ensures the use of the best available evidence. The research process involves identifying a problem and collecting data. It includes developing a research design and analyzing data. Drawing conclusions and communicating results are final steps. This process is iterative, requiring revisions and refinements. A structured approach ensures valid and meaningful findings. Identifying a research problem involves reviewing existing literature. It highlights gaps and areas needing further study. This step sets the foundation for the research process. Understanding what is known guides the formulation of research questions. It is crucial for defining the scope of the study. Research design outlines how a study will be conducted. It involves selecting methods, samples, and instruments. A well-designed study ensures reliable data collection. This step is vital for addressing research questions effectively. Research design is a blueprint for the study's success. Data collection involves gathering information through various methods. Surveys, interviews, and observations are common techniques. This step is crucial for obtaining relevant data. Effective data collection supports the research's validity. It is essential for drawing meaningful conclusions. Data analysis involves examining collected data for patterns and insights. Statistical software can aid in this process. Analyzing data helps in understanding relationships and drawing conclusions. This step is crucial for validating research findings. Effective analysis ensures the research's success. Drawing conclusions involves interpreting analyzed data. It includes developing recommendations and applications. This step bridges research findings with practical implications. Effective conclusions guide future research and practice. They are essential for the research's impact. Communicating results involves sharing findings with the audience. It can be through reports, presentations, or publications. Effective communication ensures the research's reach and impact. This step is crucial for disseminating knowledge. It bridges the gap between research and practice. Primary research involves original data collection by the researcher. It offers greater control over the process and objectives. This type of research is often costly and time-consuming. It provides tailored insights specific to the study. Primary research is essential for unique and specific data needs. Secondary research involves analyzing existing data collected by others. It is less costly and quicker to conduct. This research provides less control over data collection. It is useful for gaining broad insights from existing information. Secondary research complements primary research effectively. Comparing primary and secondary research highlights their strengths and limitations. Primary research offers control and specificity, while secondary is cost-effective. Both types are valuable for comprehensive research. Understanding their differences aids in selecting the appropriate method. This comparison enhances research strategy. Understanding academic research and writing is crucial for scientific progress. By comparing sources and using structured research processes, you can make informed decisions. Equip yourself with these skills to contribute effectively to your field.